To install Git, you first run the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. So running these commands will first update the package list on your system and then upgrade the packages. You then run the command sudo apt install Git to install Git. Next, you verify if Git has been installed, and the command that you use is git version, which will show the version of Git installed on your machine if it's installed. So for example, if I'm to press enter, it will show me it's Git version 2.34.1, which is the current Git version that I have on my machine. So guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. So next, once you're done with this, you then need to set configuration variables. So Git will use these configuration variables and will associate them with your commits. So it's best to set them using global option so that the effects will be applied to all your repositories. So to set them, run the commands git. So set them using git config. Then I'll use the global option. So global, then I'll set user. So user.name, then I can add any name. I can add Taylor, for example. So this is the one that will set the configuration variable for user.name to Kayla. So this is the name that will be associated with the commit messages. Then for the email, you say git config global user.email. Then I'll put email address. So you can put any email address together with a .com at the end. So for example, I can say ndakala at gmail.com. So if I press enter, then this is the email address that will be associated with all the commits that I make. So don't forget to do all these things. So it's as simple as that. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, especially commenting so that I know what you guys think about the content and what you guys think I need to improve on in the near future.